How to get Roblox Plus on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to subscribe to Roblox official membership plan. First, open your browser and go to roblox.com. After that, sign into your Roblox account. From there, click on the gear icon at the top right. At this point, click on Settings from the drop-down menu. In the next step, click on Subscriptions. Following this, look for Roblox Plus within this section. Once done, click on Subscribe or Get Roblox Plus. From here, review the listed benefits like discounts on purchases and free private servers. At this stage, click Continue, then select your payment method to proceed with checkout. Keep in mind, this replaces the older Roblox Premium plan for new signups, though existing Premium members can keep their current subscription separately. Finally, click Confirm to complete your subscription and activate Roblox Plus on your account. And that's it. If this guide helped you get Roblox Plus on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.